everyone, welcome into the Flippin' Hippos YouTube channel. I'm Star the Flippin' Hippo. Today we're going to talk about 4 things you must do every single day on Poshmark to make sales. Make more sales, make more profits. If you aren't doing these things daily, you will definitely see a drop in your sales. Just like eBay, it's super important on Poshmark to be active every single day. But Poshmark is a whole different platform. It's a whole different world. There's sharing involved, and there's other things that if you're not doing them on a daily basis, you can very clearly see a drop in your sales. But if you're doing these things, you will definitely see an increase in your sales. I do like that about Poshmark. When you implement these 4 things I'm going to talk about and you're doing them every single day, you will almost immediately see more sales, the payout for your efforts. So the first thing you got to list every single day, just like on eBay, active closet is a happy closet. So you want to be cross-posting or listing every day, 5 to 10 things. The best time of day to list is during the last party of the night. The last party of the night does not have any specifications on what is allowed or any themes. It's everything in your closet goes. And when you list a new item, it immediately gets bumped into the party. Everyone sees it. Everyone's online at that time. It is the most active party, the most active time on Poshmark. It happens at 7 p.m. Pacific, 10 p.m. Eastern every single day. This is the time to be active on Poshmark. So if you do list your cross post on Poshmark and it is at all possible for you to list at this time, do it then. The second thing you must do on Poshmark is share. You got to share your own closet every single day. I know. It's time consuming. It's tedious. It's monotonous. Most people don't like doing it, but it's also super easy and it's not that hard. You can do it while you're watching. You can sit on the couch with your phone and share from your phone while you watch a movie. You can sit on your computer, your laptop, and do it while you watch TV. It doesn't require any brain power or thinking. You just share. It is very tedious. It is time consuming. It's annoying. I understand that. But if you really want to be successful on Poshmark, you got to share your own closet. That's how you get boosted up in the searches. On eBay, you pay extra money on those promoted listings. Poshmark, it's free to get a promoted listing. It's free to get a boost, but you have to do it yourself manually by sharing your own closet. It's basically a free bump. You should be doing it 3 times a day, minimum twice a day. But ideally, like if you wanted Poshmark to sell a whole ton of bunch, 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and then at that last party. I have a couple videos on how to share and how to get your Poshmark successful. So I'll have some of those pop up at the end for you guys if you want more information on sharing. But the minimum is twice a day. And one of those times should definitely be during the last party. And you should be sharing to the party and to your followers. The third thing you need to do every single day is to share from that party. So that last party of the day where everyone's online, everyone is active, you want to go into the party itself by clicking it. And then you'll see the little tabs at the top. They're like new tags, host picks. There's like 5 tabs. You need to go into each tab and share like 50 from each tab. So you've shared 250 listings total. The reason this is so important is, number one, sharing other people is part of the algorithm on Poshmark that gets you boosts in the search engine. So you have to share your own stuff as well as others. It's a social platform. It just is. So you got to share other people too to get, your boost in the search engine. But if you're sharing from this last party, you're not only getting in your shares for other people of the day, but this is when folks are super active. Everyone's on. This last party of the day, it's not a secret. Everyone knows it's the most important time of day for Poshmark. So if you go into these tabs and you share 50 items from each tab, those folks are going to follow you. They're going to reciprocate and share your stuff. So now your stuff's in front of their followers as well as your own, because you shared your stuff too, right? And then you can gain a lot of followers. And the last thing you have to be doing every single day on Poshmark is sending out offers. We talked about this in the eBay video I did, 4 things you must do every day for eBay. Offers are important on eBay, yes, but they are super duper more important on Poshmark. Poshmark is almost reliant upon those offers to make sales. The majority of your sales on Poshmark are going to be offers to likers. The buyers on Poshmark are conditioned to expect those offers. They want those offers. They will like your item expecting you to send them an offer. They like that shipping discount they get, and they love to get offers. Most of the times they'll counter back with a little bit less. A lot of the times they just accept your offer. But buyers on Poshmark don't initiate. They don't send offers that often. You know how on eBay, if you have best offers on, you'll get offers all the time, and the buyers are initiating that? They don't really do that on Poshmark. When I say they're conditioned to expect you to send them an offer, I mean it. It happens, but it's rare. Like, we've had a few offers here and there, but not that often. But we do make most of our sales from sending those offers out. And folks will see your items in the searches when they're in shopping, when you do all these other things. It'll give you a boost, and then they'll like your item, and then you can send the offer out. But because most of your sales are going to be from offers, and the way the buyers are on Poshmark, offers are like way super important. So to recap before I let you go, the 4 things you got to do every single day on Poshmark to be successful: you got to list every day. You got to share your closet minimum 2 times, ideally 3 a day. You've got to go to the last party of the night, share your stuff to your followers to the party and share from the party. And then you've got to be sending out offers. If you can do all of these things every single day, you will definitely see a huge increase in your sales on Poshmark. But if you're not doing them every single day, you will see a decrease. It's like an immediate reaction. If you're doing this, your sales increase like overnight. And if you miss one thing one day, you'll see your sales drop. It's just how Poshmark works. All right, if you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up before you leave. It really helps the channel. If you haven't already and you'd like to, subscribe to our channel. Help us feed a hungry hippo. Join our Facebook group. It's called Flippin Hippos Reseller Pod. There's a link in the box down below for you. And go be productive. Go make some money. Go share your closet. Until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. Y'all are the best. Bye.